The video you're watching right now was created using AI, including me. Pretty cool, right? Hi, I'm Chia Ushio, Marketing Director at Chibitek. If you work in PR, design, or marketing, I want to show you 3 simple ways AI can make your team more productive and less burned out. AI tools like Microsoft Copilot or Notion can handle email summaries, meeting notes, and to-do lists, so your creatives can focus on creating. But without proper controls, these tools can leak client data. We help teams set up secure AI environments that respect compliance and privacy. Canva AI, ChatGPT, Midjourney. These aren't your new creative directors. They're your team's new assistants. We help studios use these tools safely without compromising brand voice or leaking files. AI can triage emails, prep meeting notes, and even speed up ticket responses without losing the human touch. At Chibitek, we use AI to improve response time and reduce team burnout. Now we're helping clients do the same. Want to use AI safely in your creative workflow? Book a secure AI discovery call. Let's make AI work for your team, not replace it.